Hey, you already know what it is. We're back. More mods. Got SvperDvperAlex in the cut. He's hungover. He got the shades on.
Yeah, bro. Long ass night.
So today what we're gonna be doing, we got some new wheels for the Q. Y'all see those in a bit. It's probably a little more sporty. Wink, wink. But all right.
Bro, she's been getting spoiled on mom. Jesus.
For real. Hey, she just got back from the shop, bro. She deserves it. She got the water pump replaced and a lower oil pan.
She had a little surgery.
Little surgery. Hey, we got warranty though. Hey, they're a little confused when they heard the exhaust though. They were like, they turned it on. They were like, "Whoa, what's going on?
What's this?
You missing the muffler?" But all right, let's go get the new wheels for the Q. All right, guys, so we're back. Just got home. Take a closer look at how it looks right now. This is how it looks. That's how the fitment is. And then you'll see once we have the new wheels, which they're in here. Oh, lock the car. Oh, you can't see them. All right, let me show you the one in the back. Yeah, we got the Redsport wheels. So these come on the Redsports only. I think these wheels look way better than the than the Lux ones. So I picked these up for pretty cheap. Got a good deal on them, and they're literally like brand new. The dude only used them for a few thousand miles and then put wheels on his car. But I think this is like a very nice OEM plus upgrade. So, and I don't want to go crazy with this car. I just kind of want like a simple, clean look. But yeah. Let me get them loaded and throw them on for you guys. See you in a bit. Here's a closer look. They're all pretty clean. Like one little nick here and there, but nothing crazy. They're honestly really clean, really good tread. I just can't wait till they're on, so let me just throw them on. I'm too excited, honestly. All right. Alright, so there it is, guys. Sheesh. It looks so good. Yeah, the fitment's way better now, too. I would definitely recommend these wheels. It's a nice OEM plus upgrade. And stay tuned, because there's another mod coming soon for it. Just wait on it, just wait on it. Should be coming in tomorrow. And I'll probably throw that on the next clip of this video. So I guess I'll see you guys in a second, and probably 2 days for me. Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvper Productions here with another video. I don't know if I'm gonna add it to the other video or make a whole nother video for this. So disregard that if I didn't. Whatever. Anyways, gonna be installing the front lip for the 2018 Q50 here. I got a carbon lookalike. Have it over here. Well, I don't know if you guys saw the car, but I got the wheels on it. This is how it looks like. If you guys can see a little bit. I think it looks really good. I fell in love with it. But yeah, let me show you the lip I got for it. Should be a pretty easy install. I really recommend this lip. It looks so nice. I haven't even put it on, but I can just tell it's gonna be nice. But yeah, let me show you. This is the box that came in. I already unboxed it, so it's all in pieces here. Well, let me assemble it a little. Alright, so this is what the lip looks like. It looks pretty easy. All you're gonna do is just self-snap some screws into the bumper. And then here it has these. And these ones you just attach them itself with some screws. Here, I'll show you. Let me put it together and I'll show you guys right now. But take a close look of how it looks without it. and then we'll see what it looks like once it's on. All right, so this is what it looks like once it's all assembled. You're gonna, it comes with screws. It's 2 little screws to hold the whole thing together. So 1, 2 there and 1, 2 there. And as you can see, it has screw holes all along it. And you're just gonna, it comes with screws. You're gonna just, you know, just send it. And that's really about it. This is a really easy install. So I think I'm gonna add it to the video of the wheels so y'all can get the new look of the Q. Alright, so I think what we're gonna do is start on one side and work our way down, kinda-ish. I wish we had more people here, but I guess we'll see how it looks. It is, guys. That's what it looks like once it's on. I think it looks super good. Oh yeah. And if you guys are interested in this lip, I'm gonna put it in the description. I definitely love how it like flows with the body, like almost like it was meant for it. Like, well, obviously it was meant for it, but it looks pretty OEM to me. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos, guys. I don't know if we're probably gonna go to a car meet right now. Might film it, might not, but I guess we'll see. So don't forget, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. If y'all don't remember, this is Super Duper Joel. I'll insert the clip from the old video.
Say what up to the vlog, Joel.
Yo, what up, vlog? Hi.
Hey, what are you?
A person.
Super Duper Productions, what?
Yeah, Super Duper Productions ambassador right here. #1 subscriber here. Been here since day 1.
Day 1 fans. Hey, if we ever get big, we'll make a shirt for you.
Oh, make a shirt for me. That means a lot to me.
Feels like day 1, #1 fan. Alright. Well, this is the end of the video. I'll catch you on the next one. We got more mods coming soon, so stay tuned. I don't know, I'm really debating on tuning her really soon. So peace.